other type of pot we are going to paint, and I'll paint it for you. Okay. And if you want more space inside, you can just eat something like this and make it wider, so that at least one pencil or pen like holder you can have it. Okay, this is going to be something a miniature part only, so you can't put so much of things and all, or something like very small flowers and something and all, you can just make it to hold.
Ma'am, we don't need to paint this one, ma'am.
Yeah, we are going to paint this, ma. For painting, why I'm taking time is the clay what we have done, it has to dry for some time. Only then you can hold the thing and you can paint it properly. Myself, I'm going to paint it now itself and show, but yourself, please don't do that. Only after drying of the clay, you can do the painting. For this painting, what I'm going to do is, see this part, handle it like now I showed you, no, this part now it is not stiff enough to paint and show, and so I'm going to paint in this and I'm going to show you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The base
Okay,
color,
ma'am.
it is going to be base color is going to be white color only. All the parts
Okay, ma'am.
just show you in white. Few minutes, let these pots and all dry. Okay. You can
Okay,
even
ma'am.
make something handles like this also, and you can keep it to one side of the part. It is very simple. Just L shape madri pannikanum. Like L and bend it to both the sides, and you can have this as a handle. See, for this one of the things like this, like L shape, that it is made a little curve over the part. That is your wish only. If you want, you can have this that you can hold, or you can keep it like this. I want everyone to mute yourself. Now the acrylic white color I'm taking, and I'm going to give base coating for all the three pots what I have made it now for you. So I'm taking a flat brush and I just mute yourself, ma, everyone. Just color it. Touch only little, and you need to paint it like this. All the three parts, I'm going to make it like this. Okay. You need to have a proper coating without water. You can just paint it directly. Acrylic white color I have taken.
Okay, ma'am.
And I'm going to paint it and I'll show you. Whole of the pot, you just do it with white paint. Okay? Then later you decide the portion where you need to give light blue and dark blue or Persian blue, whatever type of blue you want, you can give. Intricate design should be decorated over that. This is something very interesting thing. All children or elders, everyone can handle this and you can do it. Don't touch too much of water, then it will start flowing. Only when the flow of the paint is not proper on the pot, you can just touch little water and you can paint it. Even at the bottom, you try to give the, sorry. Try to give white color or any base color should be given. Make all the portions smooth while doing the sculpturing of the pot itself. Yeah, for this I have completed. And again for this also we are going to give the white base color alone. See, since in this pot we are having a hole in between, you can put your hand inside to this, hold it like that, and then you can color it. Apply direct white color. acrylic color should be given. Handle it carefully because it has not yet dried fully. To a certain extent only it has dried. Just observe what I am doing today. Like you take your own time and later you do it. Okay. Immediately as and when I am doing, if you do, no, it may not come out properly. You will not have a proper idea when to color and all. Okay. Only after this part is dried, you have to do the coloring. Allow it to dry for a few minutes, since because we are using acrylic colors, it will dry fast. Okay. Here also we have got in between spaces there, put fingers inside that, and then if you color it like this, we may not be having a chance to touch that and spoil. Okay. To color it. I want everyone to mute yourself. Myself, the concept is blue pottery, and so I have done everything with blue color. If you want, you can follow that, or you can have your own coloring pots. Normally, this type of pottery works, it is done in blue base only. Blue pottery by itself, it has a great liking by all the people. It has a cool effect, okay? Inside also you need to color it, okay? We'll be using thin brushes and we'll be making intricate designs on the pot. If you want, after the painting is done and everything is dry, the intricate painting, everything after drying, no, you can use a Mod Podge or Fevicol with water, any coating if we give for the pot, then that also it will make the pot look really shining and luxurious it will be, okay? So all the sides should be covered with white color. If finger prints and all it is coming, then do it again. While holding the thing, we may have some fingerprints on the white color. So you need to take care and do it properly. So now the painting for white color base painting is finished for both the three of the pots. Wash the brush nicely and then use one thin brush you can take. Take any thin brush and now we can start. See, first thing we did the painting for this, isn't it? And so now it is little bit dried only. So on this, I'm going to do the coloring for the pot. Let these both, we can keep it separately, let it dry. After finishing for this, I'll show you how to paint for that. See, only these three types of blue I'm going to use. Okay, cerulean and sky blue and the Persian blue. If you want, you can use ultramarine also. Light blue first initially I'm taking. And designs and coloring and all, it is to your wish, ma. You can do it however you want. So this part I'm doing it with light blue, okay? I think it is visible for all. When the flow of the paint is not proper, then during that time alone, you touch little water and do the coloring. For initially this portion, everywhere I'm going to do the thin brush, like anything like number 1 or 2, even you can have. Or if you are comfortable only with 0 and 000 or 00, even that you can use it. So this portion I have colored it with blue. Evenly you color it, okay? Back side also you need to give nicely. See that in all the areas we have colored for the head. Now we have completed for this part. And now what I am going to do is this front, this part alone, this curves I have made, no? That portion alone I am going to do it with that portion alone I'm going to do it with, like arches I'm making it. Can you see? Like arches, slight curves I'm making it. Slight curves I'm making it. See to that I am not touching this blue colored part. I am touching only the white portion where we have colored it earlier. So first part alone I'm going to do with light blue. Little curvy I'm making. See, I've colored this light blue, okay? Now we are going to take the cerulean blue and we can make a marking over that. Designs and all we can make with the cerulean blue. Close and keep the acrylic colors immediately after use. Otherwise, you will not be having the color wet, okay? It will dry fast. So now I am taking the cerulean blue. Everyone mute yourself, man. Now what I'm going to do is like comma stroke like thing. Keep a brush like this. Just make it flat and pull it like this. Same way all the curves we are having, no, there I'm going to do like that. Make it to really nice shapes. You have to make it. Easy one only. I'm just teaching you very easy strokes. It's not that you have to do the same design, but if you want, you can follow this and do it. Okay, from this side, what I'm going to do is that same thing like from the other side, I'm going to do. Broader at the top and bringing it like this. Thin over the bottom. Same way, all the curves, I'm just making it like this. More than this, anything intricate designs, if you want also, you can make it, ma. And at last, after giving painting for everything, if you want, you can do it with 3D outliners or something with that also, you can do the decoration. And the center part, what I have done is some circle-like thing I have made. Keep it to your size and do it properly, okay? Myself, I can't see like showing it to you. One minute, I'll do the correction and then we can go for the next. See, little white I have taken and I'm just masking the part. When after the color is dried, if you do this masking part and all, it will be well and good, okay? Because the color by itself, then it will make the color light blue. To avoid that and all, you can do the corrections and all later with the acrylic colors. Now I am taking the Persian blue. And for the beak, eyes and the intricate designs, I am going to do with this. If you want, you can change the brush size. Minute work we are going to make. So I am taking a 00 brush. Okay? And make the beak alone, you just paint it. With blue, we are going to paint. Beak part alone, we are painting it with blue. Then eyes I am going to do with the same blue. Just keep a dot, okay? And here what I am going to do is this portion, I'm making one side lines like this till what we have done the light blue, no? Till that we are making a side lines like this. And inside, like necklines, we'll be making it. Very simple only. If you want to keep some dots also, you can keep it. 1 second, I'll paint and I'll show you. It is very difficult for me to show you and paint. 1 second. Thin lines we have made it. See, you can see the lines over this, how we have made. Like that we have made, we have to make it. And in the sides and all, this top portion curves we have made, isn't it? That part, I'm making very small lines like this. Whole of that area, I'm going to make it like this. Very slowly do this work, okay? You can make intricate designs. Any other designs also, if you want, you can make it. This pottery work, it is ideal for gifting and all, okay? During puja occasions and all, you can do this gifting. After making the intricate line on the top, now inside this cerulean blue, I am making one darker blue dot. See, both the sides we need to do that. And center, I am making a small circle. I think I'm showing you properly. That's all. For this, we have finished the painting. This inside portion, you can leave it like white only. Okay? Cute pot.
Ma'am, your video is not clear, ma'am.
That must be because of signal problem now. See, now we have finished painting.
I can't see the painting, ma'am.
I'll be posting the pictures in the group, Ma. You can even see that. Okay? I think for others it is visible, isn't it? Okay, then I'll show you the painting for the other thing. Here, the white color, what we have given, it is fully dry. On this, we have to make intricate designs, okay? The mouth part alone, for this fully, we are going to do only with the thin brush. Fat brush we can't use for this. Here, just like that, I'm making lines over this part, okay? This kind of work takes so much care and do it. Since because it is very minute work, you need to take so much of care. All the sides, I'm just painting it like this. And top out also, I'm going to just do the same line like that strokes with light blue. Then designs, I'm going to make it with cerulean blue and Persian blue. Just I'm making small dots over line like dots, okay? Elongated dots I have made it. Is it visible, ma? Same way, the other side also I'm going to make it. Very simple kurta parts. We have made it the same way. Down also I'm going to make it with cerulean blue. While handling, see that you handle it very slowly. Okay. Then if you want, you can make dots all over the place. Wherever required, you can make small dots. Even 3D cone liners can be used for making all such things. On blue color, I am making this. Everyone mute yourself, ma. All the sides you need to do that. Do it very, very slowly. It should be neat and good. Then for the handle, if you want, you can make with blue, direct blue. I am just applying direct blue to the handle. Little more intricate designs or works, if you want also, you can very well do it. This is the idea I am giving you. You can just do it like how you require that. Okay. Yeah, this part we have completed. Now we can do the coloring for this. Okay, white color portion should be seen. If you want, you can make dots all over this place also. Random dots you can make it. Yeah, this we have completed, okay? Let it dry for some time. Within that, I'll finish the painting for this, the other part. 1 second. The other one, I'm taking the light blue color and I need to give the color like triangle shapes. I'm making it with cerulean blue at the bottom. Is it visible, my everyone? Just I'm
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And filling the color with that same thing. Triangle strokes I'm doing. I'm just filling the color with the same. Same way, other side also I'm going to make it. With cerulean blue, I'm doing such things. Actually, we need to wait for the pot to dry, and then when we handle it will be easy, ma. Myself, I'm doing the painting immediately after making the pot, okay? That is not recommended. You need to wait for the pot to dry and then you have to make the coloring and everything. If you make the details, what you give and all you give, no, it will be well and good. Otherwise, it is little bit difficult to handle the thing. You may spoil the shape of it. Same thing I'm going to do it on the top also, but it's going to be little bit smaller triangles. Since because it is a minute miniature pot, minute designs has to be given. Later with Persian blue and light blue or with any other blue tints, you can do the decoration. That also should be done only in a minute way. Or with white, if you want also, you can do the decoration. White and blue are the primary colors which are required for this blue pottery, Kurja pottery. It is an important pottery work in Uttar Pradesh, okay? During the Mughal Empire and all, they were doing only this type of pots, ceramic wares was done. Uniformly inside, I am giving a coating of cerulean blue. Proper, it should be inside and outside so that it doesn't look odd. This pot alone, I have just given that inside. And for the handle, I'm just painting it with the same cerulean color I'm taking and painting for the handle. Both the side handles, I'll be giving the same thing. To have a luxury look, you can make coating of Mod Podge or Fevicol with water. Fevicol one portion means water. You can add it to 2 or 3 portions you can take, or more than that even you can use, and make it into a liquid and just apply over the pots. After color everything is dried, you have to do that. If any doubt, you can just WhatsApp me and find out, or you can call me even. No problem, I'll help you if I can. And randomly here, I'm going to make thin designs with while taking the color, see that you are not using so much of water and all. Otherwise, it starts spilling. Here at the bottom also, I'm just making it with dark blue inside. Same way, other side also I'm going to make it. If you want, you can make the design little bit detailed. Now we don't have time, and so I'm making it little bit fast. And inside part also, that same way I'm doing it. And the top portion, this rim part alone, I'm making it with dark blue, okay? That inside also, you should take care that you are doing it only to the required height of the rim. Now our pot, miniature pot with handle is completed. The edge portion alone, I'm making it with Persian blue. Now I'll show you the Mod Podge, how we can use on this. For Mod Podge, you have to, this is the product, okay? Fevicryl Mod Podge product. This I'm going to apply directly over. Now only we have colored for this and all. For this we can't give now. Only when after it dries only we'll be able to give for these things. Just take Mod Podge, apply over this with wet brush You just apply it like this. While applying, it will become white color only. After it dries, no, it will give a beautiful luxure to the pot. Wherever it is required, apply little Mod Podge and just apply with your brush. While application, it will be in white color only. When the pot dries, you will have a proper luxurious look. Okay? Any doubts you can ask me now. Now all our pots I'll display here. You can just have a look at that. Okay? Few minutes I'll clear the place and I'll show you
Ma'am?
the pots. Few minutes I'll clear the place. Yes, ma'am. What's
Ma'am?
your doubt? Yes?
Send images of the pots in WhatsApp group, ma'am. I can't. It's not visible for me, ma'am. Your
I'll be
video.
sending. I'll be sending. Don't worry about that. Okay?
Ma'am, can you put any design on the pots, ma'am?
Yeah, any design you can make it.
Yes, ma'am.
Just see. These are the pots, miniature pots. We did it now. These three were
Ma'am, see
the,
my products.
you can post your pictures, ma. See, these are the different types of pot. One other type. This is the other one, other type. Whichever type of pot you want to make, you can just make it and you can post the picture in the group. You'll be getting e-certificate for this. If you want, you can follow that. It is great to get certificate, isn't it? From a big company like Fevicryl.
Ma'am?
Okay, these are the pots we have done today.
Ma'am, certificate for this class, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Certificate for this class you will need give, ma'am.
No, if you do and submit, I'll be giving you certificate. Okay.
In which photo, ma'am?
Yeah, photos if you send me, no, like what you have done, you'll be given a certificate.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, see you. Okay, ma'am. We will upload the photos, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll be uploading, ma. Don't worry about that. I'll be uploading all the photos.